Welcome. This is a new episode. I'm teaching you how to get good at everything that you are doing. No matter what you are doing, it is up to your business. I'm just trying to help you the things that I've learned from the book that I've studied.
My man.
And I'm gonna give it to you in the next 10 minutes.
Stop the cap.
Maybe less than 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible. But I try my best to give you the best value as possible. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make people want, believe, and read. This is the question that everybody seeking to get the answer for it. So let's get into it. Let's start with the first one. How to make people read. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about it. I want to get people to read my ads. I want to get people to read my website headline, my website paragraph or something. But the question is your copy good enough to make people feel comfortable? Because if you could not make your customer, when they comes from absolutely nowhere, they were scrolling in social media, they don't even know you, but they came to your website, now you have to make them feel comfortable that they are in a legit or actually good place. It's not some type of scam or some shit. It's a real legit product website. The next thing is, you gotta build their desire at the same time when they are reading. You gotta make them feel that they have this problem and this is the solution for their problem. The next one is how you make them want. In order to make them want, how much work you need to put in order to make them believe that this product is actually legit. In order to make them feel like, okay, I'm gonna read the entire process, I'm gonna read everything that you just have said, but I want this product, but I need some proof. So you gotta say, over hundred people have reviewed this product is actually legit, is actually working, or some type of social proof that proves that this product is actually legit product. It's not a scam or something. So that's how you make people want your product. You're gonna build their desire and make them feel comfortable that you're in a legit place, and you're gonna provide some social proof or some type of proof that your product is actually legit and it's actually a legit product. It's not a scam. None of those stuff. The last but not least, how do you make them believe? We're gonna get back to the question. How much words or copy you need to write down in order to make him believe what you have said to him? Because you have said a lot of things. You made them promise, you made them feel comfortable, you made them that this product is actually legit. You give them a lot of promises. Now you have to make them believe that this promise is actually working. Here is John. He bought this product at this time. Now here is the result that he gets. Or some type of other product. Oh, this is the other customer. He bought this product back in May, and now it's June. This product is actually legit and it's actually working. So you gotta make them believe about everything that you are saying. You cannot just say, okay, this product is doing this,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Boom. Customer won't even buy it, because sometimes that depends on the market, because some of the markets don't know what the problem is. Some people know what the problem is, right? Some people know that I have this problem and I want to get the solution for it. He's looking to find the solution for it. But some other dumb people, they don't even know that they have this problem. So at that time, you need to tell more. You need to actually sell more, because you have to say more in order to make them aware of the problem that they have, and this is the solution for their problem. So for those people, you gotta say more, you gotta tell more. But for people who don't know that what their problem is and what is the solution for, so at that way you cannot just be here and talk too much about it. You gotta say in just few sentences and make them believe, give them a promise, give them everything they ask for, and then boom, you're gonna sell your product in it. But it all comes down to one question: how do you structure your website? How do you structure your ads? How you structure your content? Because that's the basic ones. You gotta apply every single one of this, and in the process, you gotta get their attention. Of course, you gotta get their attention by a good headline. After that, you gotta make them read the paragraph that you have in the bottom of the headline. But make sure, it's a quick tip, when you're writing down your headline, please, for the love of God, do not mention your product price or your product name, because that will make it absolutely suck. Just give them a promise, or give them some type of curiosity, or ask them a question, so they will look for that question in down the paragraph that you have at the bottom of your headline. So when people comes in and read that product, want and believe, boom, and you're gonna sell your product ASAP. And yeah, this is it. With that being said, this is the today video. In the next video, I will tell you much more detail about headline. It might come out this week or might be next week. All I'm doing is I'm gonna give you the structure to build the best headline among all the competitors that you have out there. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. And by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about all of the stuff that I've just told you. And I will see you in the next one.
I've been balancing my chakras in the mountains out in Utah. I know I'm the greatest, that's the energy I move off. I don't